Guys, see, my husband's car wash made a mess inside this cupboard. See. Like, it was full. I did not even know. It was even my kid that called and said, there's something blue pouring out from the cupboard. See, inside here is empty. See everything here. I just removed it.
In the hush of the morning sky, where shadows bow and whispers lie, a quiet flame begins to grow. Soft and still, the words unfold, ancient wisdom carved in gold, echoes of love that never fade, whisper of light through the cascade. The wind carries stories untold, pages turning, hearts consoled, each line a lantern in the dark. A thousand voices, one refrain, through joy, through sorrow, through the rain. Every verse a thread divine, binding the soul to the sacred line. Soft and still, the words unfold, ancient wisdom carved in gold. Echoes of love that never fade, whisper of light through the cascade.